Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today, we're diving into the world of strength training for beginners. If you've been wanting to start your fitness journey but feel overwhelmed by all the information out there, this video is for you. By the end of this video, you'll have a simple and effective workout plan tailored specifically for beginners to help you build strength, improve endurance, and feel more confident in your body. Let's get started. Starting a strength training program is one of the best things you can do for your overall health. Strength training not only helps you build muscle, but also improves your metabolism, strengthens your bones, and boosts your confidence. For beginners, it's essential to focus on mastering the basics. This ensures that you build a strong foundation, avoid injuries, and set yourself up for long-term success. This beginner-friendly program includes 3 full-body workouts per week, giving your muscles enough time to recover between sessions. Each session will focus on key movements: pushing, pulling, squatting, and core strengthening. You'll also learn how to warm up properly and cool down effectively, which are just as important as the exercises themselves. Let's start with your warm-up. Warming up is crucial to prepare your muscles and joints for the workout ahead. Spend 3 to 5 minutes on light cardio, such as brisk walking, cycling, or jumping jacks, to get your heart rate up. Then move on to dynamic stretches like arm circles, leg swings, or hip openers. These stretches increase your mobility and reduce the risk of injury during your workout. Now that you're warmed up, let's dive into the workout itself. First, we have bodyweight squats. Stand with your feet shoulder-width apart. Lower your body as if you're sitting in a chair, and push back up through your heels. Squats are excellent for working your legs, glutes, and core. Aim for 3 sets of 10 to 12 reps. Next, let's focus on the upper body with push-ups. Start in a plank position with your hands slightly wider than shoulder width. Lower your chest toward the ground while keeping your body straight, then push back up. If regular push-ups feel too challenging, modify by dropping your knees. Perform 3 sets of 8 to 10 reps. For pulling movements, try bent over rows. If you have access to light dumbbells, great. If not, use filled water bottles or cans. Stand with your feet shoulder-width apart, bend slightly at the hips, and pull the weights toward your torso, squeezing your shoulder blades together. Do 3 sets of 8 to 10 reps. This exercise is fantastic for strengthening your back and improving posture. Now let's engage your core with planks. Get into a forearm plank position, keeping your body straight from head to heels. Hold this position for 20 to 30 seconds. Planks are one of the best exercises for building core strength and stability. As you get stronger, try to hold the plank for longer or add variations like side planks. Finally, finish the workout with a light cardio burst to boost your endurance. High knees or marching in place for 30 to 40 seconds is a great way to end your session. This not only improves your cardiovascular health, but also helps you burn extra calories. After completing the workout, don't skip the cool down. Cooling down helps your muscles recover and reduces soreness. Spend 5 to 10 minutes stretching your major muscle groups, focusing on the areas you worked during the session. Stretch your quads, hamstrings, chest, and back while taking deep breaths to relax. To make this routine a habit, set specific workout days and times in your schedule. Consistency is key to seeing results. Start with light weights or bodyweight exercises and gradually increase the intensity as you get stronger. Remember, it's not about how much you can do on day 1, It's about making steady progress over time. And don't forget about recovery. Make sure you're eating a balanced diet with plenty of protein to support muscle growth, staying hydrated, and getting enough sleep. Recovery is just as important as the workout itself. To wrap things up, strength training is an incredible way to improve your health and fitness. And starting as a beginner doesn't have to be intimidating. By focusing on simple, effective exercises and staying consistent, you'll build strength, confidence, and a healthier lifestyle. Thank you so much for watching. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more tips and workouts. And let me know in the comments, what's your biggest goal with strength training? I'd love to hear from you. Take care, stay active, and I'll see you in the next video.